to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Britt and the name of my channel is B.Nicole Interior Decor. Here on this channel, we're all about luxury inspired living, intentional styling, lifestyle moments, and creating beautiful spaces that feel both elevated and personal. From modern home decor and design inspiration to everyday life and collaborations with brands I genuinely enjoy. This space is built around authenticity and creativity. Today's video is in collaboration with 2 Pages, and I'm excited to finally share this with you all because if you know me, then you already know I love pieces that instantly elevate a room while still feeling timeless and functional. And that's exactly what this collaboration represents. When it comes to designing a home, I truly believe that details are what brings a space together. The textures, the lighting, the fabrics, and the tones. Every element matters. Window treatment especially. Window treatment has the ability to completely transform the mood and overall aesthetic of a room. They can make a space feel softer, warmer, richer, and even more intentional without needing a full refresh or redesign. That's one of the things I appreciate most about 2 Pages. Their pieces combine luxury aesthetic with functionality in a way that makes styling feel effortless. The quality, texture, and overall look instantly creates a more elevated atmosphere while still allowing your personality and vision to shine through. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I style these curtains within my home, sharing my honest thoughts about it and the quality. And first and foremost, I'll go ahead and jump in. The quality of these curtains are amazing. They were easy to install. Again, they elevated my space. I could not be more pleased. If you are interested in this particular color that I have or this particular style, these are the Patty Belgian Flax Linen Curtain. I also have that down in the description box, and I did get mine in the triple pinch pleated. So yeah, and then they also have the memory shape. I was about to say memory foam. Memory shape to them, as you saw previously, that they do also come with the tie backs, which is a plus. I can't be more pleased with 2 Pages. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you are someone that is currently refreshing your home, redecorating your space, or just simply looking for inspiration on how to make your home feel more luxurious or intentional, definitely keep watching, because there are so many beautiful details throughout this video. As always, I want to thank you all so much for continuously supporting me, engaging with my content, and growing with me throughout this journey. I know I've been missing as far as posting full videos. I've only been posting to my shorts. You know, life happens, things happen, and sometimes that can pull you away from the things that you truly love and enjoy. Sometimes we just have to take a time out, but nevertheless, I am back, slowly getting back into the groove of everything. So I just ask you guys to continue to support, like, and comment on the videos, and give me your feedback on what you think. I should have another video that I'll be able to post for you guys within the next few weeks. It shouldn't be that long, but it's already together, so I really just need to do a voiceover and get it posted and put out. Again, I want to thank you all for staying with me and sticking with me through it all. I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. And again, I do want to thank 2 Pages for this collaboration. And it couldn't have come at a better time because I needed these curtains for the refresh that I did in the space. If you're new here and you enjoyed what you saw in today's video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And like always, don't forget to put God first in all that you do. I will see you guys in the next one.